Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I prepare this delicious chicken foot. Keep watching guys, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. So guys, here is the chicken foot. Okay, as you can see, they still have the fingers on it, so I'm going to be taking off those fingernails from those chicken foot. So guys, so I'm going to be removing the fingernails with my small knife. Okay, you can also use kitchen scissors if you have a very sharp one, but for me I prefer using knife. You can see how clean it is. I prefer using knife because it's more easier for me. So guys, as you can see, I've washed the chicken foot. I wash it thoroughly. See how clean it is. So I just put the chicken foot inside my pot. I'll be adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of water. So I'm going to cover it, then allow it to cook. So before that will be cooking, I'm going to be blending the Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have onions and 2 small garlic onions. I'm going to be blending everything together. So my chicken foot is still cooking. So this is a paprika powder. I'll be adding a little bit of it, and curry powder. I'll be adding a little bit. This is a ginger powder. I'll still be adding a little bit of it. So I'll just stir it a little bit. Sorry guys, my pot is moving because I'm using one hand to move my camera. Now I'll be adding tomato paste. You can use the smooth one. The one I use now is not too smooth. And now I'll be adding the onions and the Scotch bonnet and garlic I just blended, and 1 mango cube. So now I'm going to be adding a little bit of extra virgin oil. I'm going to cover it, then allow it to cook. So guys, as you can see, my chicken foot is ready. So I decided to make it this way. You can also fry your ingredients, like frying the tomatoes and onions and all that before adding the chicken foot, but I just prefer it this way. I don't want to fry it, so like this is just perfect for me. So it's ready. I'm going to turn off my gas. So guys, here is my plate. I'm going to be serving the chicken foot on my plate. Wow, you can see how beautiful it looks. The way it's beautiful, that's how it tastes delicious. So guys, if you know you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and the positive comment, and above all, share the video to your friends, your loved ones and family. Thank you all for staying with me on this video. I will see you again on my next video. God bless you.